If you are looking for a natural way to lift those hooded eyes, I've got a great face exercise for you using a Gua Sha. So this is a Gua Sha face massage to help with naturally lifting this area, of course, without injections, without the need for anything unnatural. Now, what we're wanting to do is targeting the muscles around the eye. So this is the orbicularis oculis, as well as the temporalis, which is above the ears, and the big muscle, the frontalis muscle, which goes right from our forehead all the way to the back, and it inserts at the back of the neck. There is a lot of tension in these muscles, and one of the things that it can do is cause a droopiness of those eyelids. So what you're going to do is use a little bit of natural oil. I have some coconut oil here, and put a bit of that on your clean skin in this area, so just above your eye. Sometimes one eye is a little bit more hooded than the other. Depending if you sleep on your side, this can be a factor as well. So in this case, I'm going to work on my left side. So I'm just applying a little bit of that coconut oil. It's nice to have a little bit of slip for your Gua Sha. And often what I've done before this is my lymph drainage routine. If you don't know what that is, please check out my other videos on how to do that lymph drainage. So really opening up that lymphatic system to allow for that drainage of all of that congestion that can happen in the head and in the neck. Okay, so now you're taking your Gua Sha, and I like to use the pointy tip of the Gua Sha. This is a little bit more aggressive, so if you're new to this, you may want to start somewhere else and not press as hard, but I go for the gusto when I'm doing anything. It's just the same as having a regular massage. I like the deep tissue massage. I need to feel it and feel the pain. But all you're going to do is hold, if you do have your hair there, hold your hair out of the way, find that spot on the side, and usually I'm just gonna close my eyes and really tune in here. You're gonna find a spot that really has a lot of tension. And what you're gonna do with a little bit of a pulsing motion is stay on that spot and just sort of pulse back and forth, and to work out that tension in that area. And that can be quite painful, I'm not gonna lie. And that is really gonna help to relax all of that congestion and that muscle tension in this area. You may notice that it gets a little bit red from doing that Gua Sha, so don't be scared of that. You can probably see that a little bit on the camera. You're helping to bring some more circulation to the area and really working out that tension. And you can do this for 2 to 3 minutes, so just naturally trying and with your mind's eye to relax all of that musculature, just relax into this. As I said, it can be a little bit painful, and then you can just sort of flush it out. And this is amazing, amazing. You do this every day for just 1 week, you're gonna see that things are lifting, and again, completely naturally. So I hope you're gonna do this at home. I know you're gonna love it. And for more great face yoga exercises, please check out my video for crow's feet, face yoga for crow's feet. I'll see you there.